Hi everybody! Welcome back to 99 Lifestyle, and I'm so excited to share with you 9 tips on how to look good without any makeup. Now, that is a possibility. That is not something that's so hard to do because these are 9 simple tricks that you can actually maintain and actually manage for your lifestyle. Because for me, I think it's better to look good without any makeup. I think embracing your natural features is important as well. Just usually you can see me that I mostly rock the no makeup look, and I think you guys would understand what the no makeup look looks like. It's not really exaggerated, it's not really superficial, it's just simple tricks. Now let's get into it. The first one is actually your face or your skin. Now the skin is the biggest part or biggest organ in our body just because it's what you're going to see most of the time. So taking care of your skin is very important. It's impossible to look good without any makeup and your face is like dripping down. There's so many blemishes here. Yes, all of us should embrace our natural features, our flaws, but it's not bad to take care of your skin. A simple skincare regimen will actually help you in making your skin or yourself look great even without any makeup. Because I don't really have the perfect skin, I just have a decent looking skin. Just because I take care of it, I make sure to take care of my skin with a simple skincare regimen. You can actually check it on my videos. I have a simple skincare that you guys would probably enjoy. So check that out as well after this video. The second one is actually sunscreen. Now, this is still part of my skincare, but a lot of us are not using enough sunscreen. And didn't you know, in tropical countries, especially tropical countries, just because you're in the house doesn't mean you don't get the UVA rays or UVB rays. You can actually get it because the sun exposure, the heat exposure is there. So you're being exposed to the sun despite not being literally outside. Most of the time, my sunscreen for my face is actually this SPF 50 of Megan sunscreen. Now, I love this. This is one of the most affordable find that I found in Shopee. It is in Shopee, but it's in a Shopee mall. So it's legit, and I'll be showing you the link down below. And I think they have a sale right now for buy 2 for 190 pesos, okay? Pesos. And it's so affordable, right? I mean, this is such a great find. Other than that, I love sunscreen. This is part of my skincare, but for me, this is still different because part of your skincare routine is supposed to be eating properly. So, taking care of your skin, giving your skin the nutrients that it needs by eating something properly is different from using sunscreen that is protecting your skin. The next one is actually, this is not a lipstick, okay? And this is for your lips. Don't forget to scrub your lips. Now, you think my lips are very pinkish? I did tap a little bit of the tinted lip balm. Yes, I still use tinted lip balm even if it's not a lipstick, it's not makeup. Technically, it isn't makeup. And you can use actually a typical lip balm without the tint. But what I do first is I did wash up already. My hair is wet. I tied it for now. But later I'll be drying it off properly. But I did wash up already, and what I do is I use the bath glove scrub or even just a typical toothbrush. I could use that to just scrub the dead cells on my lips, and then after that I put on a moisturizer or a lip balm like petroleum jelly. You can actually use that, or Vaseline. That's actually a good thing as well. And I think there is this like light pink Vaseline. I don't know, but I'll just put a picture here so you can see what it is. And that's actually a good one for a moisturizer, and it's good also even if you sleep, even if you go out. It's perfect to technically moisturize your lips, because your lips, if it dries out, it's not really attractive, it doesn't look good. So the next one is actually one of my favorites. It's this one. It's the aloe vera gel. Now, why am I going to use this? What is this for? It's actually for your brows. So the next one is for your brows, and what I use is this aloe vera gel. So this has this kind of sticky effect, and I just get a spoolie like that, and then literally dab it like that, and then brush out my brows. Now my brows are thin, as you can see. I mean, this is me without makeup. As you can see, my brows are thin, but adding a bit of wet gel like this, and this is gel, it hardens as well. A bit, only a bit. It's not like really hair gel, so it darkens my brows a bit, so it adds a bit more volume or darkness to my brows. So somehow, compared to before, it looks deeper. I know it's still light, but it's not really a bother, especially since my hair is kind of mixing the blonde and the black. So this one is actually good enough. Now, you'll be seeing this a lot. The next one is actually using it for your mascara. Now, I know it's weird. I know it's kind of crazy to use it as a mascara. But yes, but before I use a mascara, I first get my curler. So what I do first is I get my curlers or my eyelash curler, and then I actually curl my lashes. There. And because it is gel, and like I said before, it darkens the brows. It also darkens when you dip. Maybe this one is a dried out mascara wand, and then I'll just dip it on the aloe vera gel. There, I'm going to get that, and then maybe just remove the excess, and then use it in my mascara. So I'm going to wet that. You can actually use castor oil as well, because castor oil is like natural oil that helps progress growth on your hair. So the next one is going back to the lip balm. This is a trick for me. The Tinted lip balm, I use it also for my blush. Now, I did this already, and one of my tricks is I use the Tinted lip balm and then I use it as a blush. Now, I don't really like using it like right now, but I'll just show you. So I'll be getting part of the Tinted lip balm, and then I'm going to use it here. Just spread it there, not too much. And also here on the nose, so it's like I'm sun-kissed. There. See? So that's my face with a blush on, a partial blush. Not too much. I don't put like exaggerated, so my face actually looks more lively. The next one is actually I use a lip balm, a sheer lip balm for my highlighter, but since my sunscreen is actually good enough, I actually put on an aloe vera instead. So I dab a bit of the aloe vera gel. I can use also petroleum jelly with this. I actually highlight my face. See? Although my face is actually fully highlighted already. But there, I add highlight to my face with that. Sometimes also here to my collarbones. And there, see, I'm very shiny. After that is clean hair. Now, I did mention that I did already wet my hair. I took a shower already and my hair is wet. But that is very important, to have your hair always clean. Now, if your hair is not clean, like when you're going out and you haven't washed it, you don't have the time to wash it, then tie it in a neat bun. So maybe this is not as neat as I would expect, or I would usually go for whenever I go to the office, but this is good enough for a neat bun. Like you just comb it all tight, or maybe just a messy bun on a casual out. So it's actually good to have your hair always clean, especially if you're going to let it down. The next one is drinking water. Now, drinking water is something that is so important, something we should always keep in mind, because this is something that will hydrate our skin. Our skin needs to hydrate. So whenever I wake up, I did explain this before, but if not, whenever I wake up, I instantly have a water or a pitcher of water beside me, so here, and then I'll just drink the whole glass, and then even another one if I need to freshen up more, especially here in the tropical countries. It's really hot. So I have water as one of my instant pick-me-up because it freshens my whole body, it starts my digestive system, and hydrates my whole skin. So that is important, and within the whole day, it depends on the heat as well, but try to make sure that within the hour, you always drink water. So that is very important. So the next one is, I think this is the final one, is sleep. Yes, sleep is important. Sleep helps your skin regenerate, rehydrate, and it actually helps your cells build up more, because resting your body helps the cells build up on the tissues or the ruined tissues. And if you're always being awake, wide awake, and then you're moving here, moving there, sweating here, sweating there, although sweat is good for your skin, it's not really good to it's not good for your cells to actually regenerate whenever you're wide awake. So actually sleeping helps. It gives your body a boost more of energy and regenerates your cells. So that is important. And I think that's about it. Those are my 9 tips, and I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! See ya!